coming.
Goodness.
I knew that was coming.
He went through the table, and you know what?
Disqualify these guys, man.
Sebuah pertarungan tinju kelas berat di Dortmund National Center berakhir dengan cara yang tidak lazim. Duel antara Brandon Moore dan Skylar Lecce berubah menjadi insiden penuh kekacauan setelah keduanya terlibat aksi gulat di luar ring. Brandon Moore yang kini memiliki rekor 17 kemenangan dan 1 kekalahan dinyatakan menang atas Lecce. Namun kemenangan ini bukan datang dari pukulan maut atau keputusan juri, melainkan diskualifikasi lawannya setelah mengejutkan di ronde ke-8. Sejak awal pertarungan ini terasa tidak normal. Kedua petinju kerap terlibat saling memeluk yang membuat laga berjalan lambat dan berantakan. Lecce bahkan mendapatkan penalti 3 kali akibat pelanggaran tersebut.
He's using his body weight. He's not fighting. He's doing everything but boxing.
Puncak kekacauan terjadi di ronde ke-8 ketika Lecce secara brutal menerjang Moore hingga keduanya terlempar keluar ring.
I knew that was coming.
Goodness.
I knew that was coming.
He went through the table, and you know what?
Moore jatuh menghantam meja komentator, sementara seorang juru kamera ikut tersapu dalam kekacauan tersebut. Wasit mulai menghitung, menunggu kedua petinju kembali ke ring. Namun hingga hitungan ke-15, Moore masih berusaha bangkit dengan Lecce tergeletak di atasnya.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. He's done. We're over.
Keputusan pun diambil, Lecce didiskualifikasi dan Moore dinyatakan menang. Kekalahan ini menjadi noda pertama dalam karir Lecce.
So this fight devolved into a wrestling match. And just like we see in many wrestling matches, the announce tables have been broken.
I gotta thank you.
Just an unbelievable scene here in Flint, and one that we could see coming from round 2 onwards. It just really is remarkable to me that this fight was allowed to continue past the 5th or the 6th round.
He came to wrestle, and that's exactly what he did.
The kind of move that we've seen over and over and over again over the course of the last few rounds. Skylar Lecce just pressing the action, pushing Brandon Moore against the ropes, and eventually they get right through him. We're also waiting to see what the official ruling will be. The fighters were given that 20 count on the floor. Brandon Moore kind of rolled back in at the count of 18, almost like pro wrestling.
I've never seen that before. 20 count in pro boxing. I've seen it in wrestling, and you just if you go back into the canvas, you go back into the ring, you're the winner.
Well, the official ruling from Steve Willis at the time was that Skylar Lecce was out. That was his ruling in that moment. Right. We'll see how it's officially ruled. Thomas Triber is going to give it to us in a moment. But this is going to go down as a win for Brandon Moore. Just an astonishing scene here in Flint.
And entertaining.
All right, let's throw it up to Thomas Triber. Let's forget about this one.
Disqualifies the blue corner for unsportsmanlike conduct.
Sementara Moore membawa pulang kemenangan. Pertarungan ini pun menjadi viral, dengan banyak penggemar menyebutnya sebagai salah satu laga tinju paling aneh dalam sejarah.